guys, it's me Joyce and I'm back for another video. So for today's video, we are going to unboxing for this new Redmi 9A. So Redmi 9A guys was launched last June 30, 2020. So wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik, wag na nating patagalin to. So let's start, let's check what's inside the box. So this is how it looks like. And we're going to open it. I already removed the plastic. So, here's your phone. Kita niyo yung background dyan? Yan. Kasi nandito kasi ako sa planchahan. So, we also have your pin for your SIM card or micro SD so that you can take and remove it. And we have this one is for warranty, and this one is for the instruction of how you're going to use the phone and your charger. So they don't have earphones or casing for your mobile, so that's only the inclusion of the phone. So let's start. What's the full specifications of this phone? So let's start. So this is your front camera here. This is your where you're going to put your micro SD and SIM cards. This is your back camera. This is your USB for charging. This one is for speakers. And this one is your power button, and on the top of it is your high and low volume. So Redmi 9A guys comes with a 6.53-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 760 by 1600 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. So Redmi 9A is powered by an Octa-Core Mediatec Processor and comes with a 2 GB of RAM. Redmi 9A runs on an Android 10 and it also powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery, and it also supports proprietary fast charging. If you are concerned with its camera guys, don't worry, because Redmi 9A packs with a 13 megapixel on its rear side with an aperture of 2.2, and it has 5 megapixel on its front, best for selfies with an aperture also with 2.2. The Redmi 9A runs MIUI 11 based on Android 10, and it also packs with 32 GB inbuilt storage that can be expanded via micro SD up to 512 GB. Redmi 9A guys is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphones that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Redmi 9A measures 164.90mm on its height, 77.7 on its width, and 9mm of its thickness. So Redmi 9A guys was launched with midnight gray, so that's the color of my phone. So they have also twilight blue and peacock green colors. Connectivity options for Redmi 9A includes Wi-Fi, micro USB, 3G, 4G, and FM radio. That's it for today's video guys. I hope you find this content very helpful, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell button para update ka sa mga videos ko. Thank you so much guys!